Don't know, you know. I'm a lady on the first day of reggae dancehall, and me I bring to you and you and you. What me say? Jamaica from the outside. And Jamaica from the outside. And I'm me proud to be a Jamaican. But me say all of we barriers, them are broke down. All of we barriers, them are broke down. We are one united Jamaican. It again, it a spice up the soul.
Hello, family. Greetings, greetings, greetings from warm, sunny Florida. Now, this morning, guys, I want to look at how I prepare a juice. Most of you who have been following me would realize that I paid a visit to Mr. Trevor's farm recently. These are some of the items we got from the farm. So if you want to check out Mr. Trevor's farm, the number is on the screen. But I want to show you how I use some of the items in a quick and easy juice made from orange, ginger, lime, and guava. The first thing I did was to wash the fruits and gather them together. So here we have them in a bowl, all washed and ready to be used. Then I peel the oranges. I peel them and cut the orange in small pieces, and I use the skin to boil because that's the water that I'm going to use to blend the juice. These oranges, they look so sweet, don't they, guys? Most persons know that oranges are rich in vitamin C, but there are so much more benefits to be had. They boost the immune system, fight inflammation, they fight anemia, and so much more. So here we are, and I'm just using the skin to boil because I will use this liquid to blend my juice. So I'm just letting it simmer at a low flame, guys, while I prepare the other. I'm just adding the fruits to the blender. All the other fruits that I have cut up, meaning the ginger, the guava, and the orange. Once I have added those to the blender, guys, I'm just straining the hot boiled orange peel, and then I'm adding that. I'm just cooling it a little bit. And then I'm going to add that to the blender and blend the juice. All the fruits are in the blender, guys, except the lime. And I'm just using a small lime. So here we go, guys. I'm just blending it. Just blending it away and just trying to get it as smooth as possible. Now that I've done blending it, guys, I'm just straining it. Just like so, just straining it, and I will do this twice. Guys, I know a lot of us love guava, especially when they are sweet. Guava is very good. It reduces blood sugar, it supports heart health, boosts digestive system, and so much more. Guys, here I'm just adding the lime. This is the last fruit that I'm adding to it. So I'm just adding the lime, squeezing it and straining it. There's a host of benefits from lime, guys. It helps prevent kidney stones, improves immunity, reduces the heart disease risk factors, and so much more. So once I've added that lime, guys, I'm just going to add a tip of honey. And that's it, guys. We're all done. Quick, easy, delicious, and very nutritious. Guys, another amazing journey with you. Thank you. Thank you.